Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. I am Utsav and this is lecture 2 of class 9 chapter triangle, which is chapter 7. So we will proceed with this question which says in quadrilateral ABCD, AC equals to AD and AB bisect angle A, that is angle CAB equals to angle DAB. Then we have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So in this quadrilateral we have to prove these two triangles to be congruent. So what is given to us, that AC is equals to AD and these two angles, angle CAB equals to angle DAB and AB is common angle, right? So by side, these two triangles are congruent. And also it asks what can you say about BC and BD. So this is BC and this is BD. So since these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangles, these two sides are equal. Now question 2, ABCD is a quadrilateral and AD equals to BC and BAB equals to angle CAB. We have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and BD equals to AC and angle ABD equals to angle BAC. So firstly we will consider two triangles, that is a triangle ABD and triangle ABC, angle BAC, right? So first what is given to us, uh, that AD equals to BC, right? And these two angles, that is angle DAB equals to angle CBA. So these two angles are equal and AB is our common side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by side congruency. Also, in second part, we have to prove BD equals to AC. So, since triangles are congruent, so BD equals to AC by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangles. Third part is we have to prove angle ABD equals to angle BAC. So, angle ABD equals to angle BAC. So, these two angles are also equal by CPCT. Now question 3 is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB, and then we have to show that CD bisects AB. So what is given is that AD equals to BC and triangle OBC, this B is 90 degree and triangle OAB, this angle is 90 degree. So and these two are vertically opposite angles. Angle BOC is equals to angle AOD by vertically opposite angles. So by angle side criteria of congruency, these two triangles, that is triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OAD. So we have to prove CD bisects AB. That is, we have to prove that OB equals to OA. So CD bisect AB. So since these two triangles are equal, so we can prove by CPCT OB equals to OA. That is, O is the midpoint of AB and CD bisects AB, which is proved. Now question is, L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another parallel lines P and Q. Then we have to show triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So here it is given L and M are two parallel lines and P and Q are also parallel to each other. We have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Okay. So since angle line P is parallel to Q, so here AC will act as a transversal line. Okay. So if it acts as a transversal line, so angle BAC equals to angle DCA as alternate angles are equal. Similarly, L is parallel to M. So AC is again transversal. So angle BCA equals to angle DAC. These two angles are also equal, right? As interior angles are equal. So by alternate interior angles, these two angles, that is angle BAC equals to angle DCA and angle BCA equals to angle DAC, right? And also AC is common side. So by congruency criteria angle side angle, these two triangles are congruent, which we are supposed to show. Hence, it is proved. Now, in this question, it is given AC equals to AE, AB equals to AD, and angle BAD equals to angle EAC. We have to show that BC equals to DE. So, here it is given AC AC. Okay, so AC equals to AE and AB equals to AD, and this angle BAD equals to angle EAC, right? So we have to prove that BC equals to DE. This. So we will consider two triangles. So firstly, what we are given is angle BAD equals to angle EAC. So we will add angle BAC on both sides. So by adding DAC, we get angle BAD plus angle DAC equals to angle EAC plus angle DAC. So if you see this figure, angle BAD plus angle DAC. So this will give you angle BAC whole angle, right? Similarly, angle EAC plus angle DAC will give you this whole angle, that is angle EAD. So now these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADE, are congruent as it is given to us as and side AB equals to side AD and side AC equals to AE, and these two angles are also equal. So by congruency criteria of side angle side, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So BC equals to DE by CTC. Next question is AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB, such that angle BAD equals to angle ABE and angle EPA equals to angle DPB. We have to show that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD equals to BE. So, in this question, P is a midpoint, so AP equals to PB, and angle BAD, that is BAD. This angle is equals to ABE. It is ABE. So these are equal. And now what we will do is, it is given to us EPA, that is EPA. These two angles EPA equals to DPB. So these two triangles we have to show congruency, right? Triangle TAP and EPB. So what we will do is we will add angle DPE on both sides. That is, it is given to us EPA equals to DP. If we add this angle to both the angles, so what will happen to it? Then this whole triangle, the whole angle DPA equals to EPB. और एंड हमें ये भी गिवन था कि ए एंगल जो है डी ए पी जो है वो ई पी बी के इक्वल है, तो दो एंगल्स इक्वल हो गए एंड ए मिड पॉइंट है तो ए पी इक्वल्स टू पी बी. सो बाय एंगल साइड एंगल क्राइटेरिया triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EPB. So now by CPCT AD equals to BE. Now in this question, in right triangle ABC, which is right angle FC, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse. So M is the hypotenuse, and if M is the midpoint of a hypotenuse AB, that is BM equals to AM, and C is joined to M and produced a point D such that DM equals to CM. That is, M is the midpoint of AB as well as CD. Then we have to show triangle AMC. AMC, this triangle is congruent to triangle BMD. So, how we will prove is, so M is the midpoint, so these two angles are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. And also, one more thing, that these two lines AB and CD are intersecting lines. So DMB and AMC is the vertically opposite angles, right? So it is given to us these two sides. MD equals to MC and AM equals to BM, and these two sides are equal. So by side angle side criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Now we have to prove angle DBC is a 90 degree. So how we will prove is, third part is, in triangle DBC and DBC and triangle ABC, we have to prove that CM equals to half of AB. So in both the triangles, BC is common and ACB and DBC are right angles, and BD equals to AC by congruent CPCT, as these two triangles are congruent. So by SAS congruency, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Now we have to prove DC equals to AB. Since triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB, so DM equals to CM equals to AM equals to BM, since M is the midpoint. When we add DM plus CM and BM plus AM, we get CM plus CM equals to AB. So CM equals to half of AB. So this is how we can prove it. So students, this is all about today's class. If you want to download the notes of this class, you can find the link in the description box. Also, you can download our app STUDIFYSUCCESS. Thank you.